that is already causing problems at PDX. That's where we find Cor Harlan. And Cor, what can you tell us?
Well, right now we know that 5 flights with direct links to the East Coast have already been canceled in anticipation of this storm. 2 of them involving United Airlines flights both from and to Dulles Airport in the Washington, D.C. area. The flight arrival from Dulles at 8:06 tonight has already been canceled, as has the departure for Dulles at 11:25 tonight. JetBlue has also canceled a departure for Kennedy in New York City at 10:48 tonight as well. Southwest has also canceled a couple flights to Chicago's Midway Airport, both at 6:20 this morning and at 10:40 this morning. In all, 5 flights, fairly minimal, according to the Portland Airport out here. Fairly minimal impact overall, but if you happen to be on one of those flights, and if you're in the Portland area, it is a big deal. And as usual, Portland's airport reminds everybody who may be traveling to that part of the country, check your flights either online. A lot of airlines will text you if your actual flight is canceled. So keep an eye out for all of that as this storm impacts the eastern seaboard. Jenny?
All right, thank you, Cor. Well, by the end of the day, the Justice Department is supposed to provide any evidence that backs up President Trump's claim that President